Got bad news. We got the what's good YouTube car reviews by KJ. We back at it again with a box Chevy update LS swap. Today we're changing out the oil pan. We got the muscle car oil pan over here. I got my guy box Chevy Jack with me.
What's good, man?
Yeah, man, y'all check him out. You check out his channel. I'll link it in the description.
For sure.
He's trying to build a box Chevy too. His pretty much the same color as mine, but he got a you wanna tell him what you got in there?
Oh yeah, I got a nitrous big block photo box Chevy, man. I'm be a drag strip guy, so come watch me.
But yeah, I wanted to turn the camera on. It's getting a little dark. I want to turn the camera on before we get too far into it, but as you can see, we separated the engine from the transmission. I got my pistons and everything. We're trying to clean it up a little bit. Stuff not really coming off, so we're gonna see what we can do. But y'all already know I got the heads refinished. We drained all the oil out. Check the oil out. Black, like me. But we already taken out all the screws and everything to take the oil pan out. I'll go show y'all the new oil pan. All right, y'all see the muscle car oil pan? He said it looked like it's billet. I mean, it's gonna be clean underneath, so they got the gasket and everything, pickup tube it come with. You see we got everything. We already got everything laid out. So we already been working before we even turned the camera on. We just got a little too far ahead of ourselves and we had to turn the camera on so y'all can see what we actually working with. But we're gonna get back to work. I might set up the tripod so we can drop the oil pan and y'all can see what it look like inside. But we'll make that like a time clip or something like that, or a time loop, or whatever you call it. So that way we can get to work though. We ain't trying to prolong this no longer than it had to be. I just want to show y'all how it free spin. You see how easily it's spinning. He barely even putting pressure on it. So
yeah, we in the game, coach.
And everything look good. Transmission look good on the inside. Stall look good. I got to clean up the starter a little bit. We about to take the oil pan off. Put the motor mounts on. Oh yeah, we got the motor mounts too. About to slide those on there. They on top of that orange thing right there. So we're coming together, man. Dirty dingo. Them things are expensive. You don't have to buy those, but I already got them, so they're here. Put them in the video. We finally got it off. You can see that it's not too much sludge built up in there. I mean, not sludge, sludge. Ain't too much sludge in there. Not too crazy. It got a little grind down there, but you can see the screw, the oil screw and everything. There's a little bit of oil in there. That's what the tray look like. The tray got the pickup tube and everything. It's an L20 engine, just in case anybody was wondering. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and take off the rest of this. Go ahead and put the pickup tube in and replace that thing. Yeah, we got the pickup tube in that bad boy, putting the front on. It's looking better already. Big upgrades coming. We already got the gasket on this one. Already put this piece on, I don't know what it's called. Let me know in the comments if you know everything. I know we got a lot of YouTube mechanics out there. Yes, sir. All right, fam, we're making a little bit of progress. As you can see, our guy wanted me to actually put the motor mounts on so you can see it on, but you can see how much play it has. It has a lot of play in it. It has more play than that. This bolt is just in the way, so also with the oil pan, we got it on. We're about to torque it. Got a little fingerprints on there from us putting it on, but it make it look a lot better, man. And we also found out that this engine might actually be not from a 2003, but it might be from a 2010 to 2014. So hopefully that's right. That's always good news if we can get a newer engine than what we had. I was wondering why everything looked it looked a lot newer than 2003. So
Yeah, definitely that.
so we hoping, yeah, we're gonna get it right though.
Look like it been through.
Yeah, the transmission look good. Look.
Pretty sure somebody went through it at some point in time.
Converter still got a sticker on it. I said converter. Yeah, style converter, my bad.
Yeah, you're right.
Yeah, we getting it, man. Pickup tube went on easy. So we had to make a little adjustments to get that second bolt in because it came with one bolt on the old pickup tube. Other than that, we're making a lot of progress, man. Let's get it. All right, number one. I'll do a couple, y'all get the point. go back through and tight. Got bad news. We got that much missing. It's inside, so I'm gonna have to take everything back off, and then I think I can get to it from inside. But you see how these right here at the top, you can see the screw. I'm hoping it's like that in the back, but we're gonna have to go ahead and end this video right here. We're gonna slide this thing back in the garage. It's gonna be for next weekend. But I hope y'all enjoyed the content. Don't forget to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Make sure you subscribe to me and my boy Chevy Jack.
Yeah,
His link will be in the description, so check him out. We holler at y'all on the next one. Peace.